Yesterday I showed you the snowplow for Henry, and I did for Gordon the snowplow. If you didn't notice, I did a little pick right there is the snowplow. So I think nobody noticed it. It's something like that. Anyways, so this is for Trackmaster classic old style engines. This model, it's a Tomy and fits on heat toy, untested on Tolkien engines, but I mainly work or do custom parts for Trackmaster old style engines. Now that's the clearance. I did a little update on the snowplow, so I'm just showing the video how it looks, but I had to raise a little bit the snowplow, and it will look like this, and not so low because we need to have more clearance. There I have the batch already and it's printing, so they should be available already. Still doesn't need to change, but I like to make sure we have more clearance so we have no problems on tracks. But this was a prototype, looks really cool. Let me know your thoughts. I also made Rido, other snow plows that I made a couple years ago, and here's one sample for Percy, but this one also is for Donald and Douglas.